Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Diwakar Singh. In this tutorial, we will be going through basic types of Kotlin. So let's start. Kotlin does not need any declaration of data type of variables or functions which make it type inference also. For example, if we write count is equal to 1, so I don't need to declare its type like int, float, string, etc. like we used to do it in Java. Kotlin compiler already knows its type from context. In Kotlin, all types are objects. Here is our first type, numbers. It represents numbers or can hold all the type of numbers in it. They are categorized into integer and floating point numbers. For integer numbers, we have byte, short, int, and long. Byte ranges from -1 to 7 to 1 to 8, which means if we know that the value of variable within this range only, then we use byte to save memory. Same with short, as it ranges from -3 to 768 to 3 to 768, and int ranges from -2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. And same with long, as it ranges from -2 to the power 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1. Then for floating point we have double and float. Double is more precise than float. Next, let's see how we can convert a variable from one type to another. If we try like this as shown in the example, my int is equal to 40, then my long is equal to my int, then it will throw compiler error. So we can achieve conversion by the helping functions like toByte, toInt, tolong, and so on. Now here is the another type, character. It represented by K keyword in Kotlin and declares value using single quote unlike numbers. For example, first letter is equal to C in single quotes. Next is Boolean. Its value can either be true or false. Boolean includes three functions: logical OR, which is represented by double vertical lines. So as you can see the example, D is equal to 1 less than 6 or 4 less than 7. So if either of the condition will be true, it assigns the value as true to variable named t. Now next function is logical AND. It represents by double AND operator. In this example, both of the conditions should be true as shown in the example. One condition is not true, so the value of d assigned to it is false. Then in negation, then in negation it represents by exclamatory sign, which assigns the opposite of value to the variable name, like it is shown in example. Next, strings. It is a sequence of characters and it can be written in double or triple quotes. Strings are immutable in nature, and also we can access the characters from string by its index. Let's see its declaration. Str is equal to this is conference tutorial. Now let's see if we print char by using str index. It will print h, as h is represented at the index 1 of string str. Here are some inbuilt functions. Length. To find the string length, like how many indexes are in there. So in example we have 26 including spaces. Concatenate. Used to add two strings into one. It can be achieved by plus function also. Subsequence. Used to take out the substring from a string as shown in example. Equals. This is for checking the two strings are equal or not. Next. Arrays. It is a collection of multiple items which can be of same data types as well as different data types. For example, if we see first example, it carries a collection of different data types like int, string, float, and char. Now, if we need same types of array, we can declare it like in the second example, my array 1. It carries all the values of same data type. Now, in third example, array is taking help of lambda function to declare the values sequentially in it. Arrays are immutable in nature, but we cannot change its size. It allows to perform only get and set functionality as given in example. Here are some inbuilt functions. Size, to get the count of items stored in it, contains, which will let us know that the item is present in the array or not. First and last, to fetch out the first and last element value from array. Next is range. It is collection of finite values which is defined by endpoints. It's like creating range of values. If we see the first example, it will set the value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means it set the values to range 1 from 1 to 5. Now, if we see the second example, range 2 is equal to 5 down to 1. It will set the values to range 2 as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like from 5 to 1 in a descending order. Range 3, 5 down 2 to 1, step 2. It means setting the values from 5 to 1, but it skips the every second value from starting point, so it will set as 5, 3, 1. Next, range 2 and down 2 is same as above two examples, it is just another way of declaring it. Next, well, range is equal to a dot dot z. It means range can carry char types also. Last is in range example, which will let us know that the item lies in range or not. It gives the Boolean value as output. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Bye bye.